Alright, so today we went to Dollywood and we got rained out. And now we're stuck in the parking lot. Look at this parking lot. Look, they won't let us go through here. Oh my gosh, look at that stroller. And then like, look at this car. Somebody's in that car. And now my battery's about to die. But, like, so before I was parked over there, I came to pick the kids up and they let me drive through here, but now they're not letting anybody. Can you like... So basically we're stuck until the river stops cresting. And if you're like walking in this, it feels like you're moving. So basically we just have to wait here. And I have the worst chub rub in the world. I'm walking all over this dang Dollywood. So, thank goodness we have this Grand Wagoneer. The girls, they're just sitting in here because I could drive through the floodwaters, but when I was walking earlier, there was just like basically a tree floating in this river, the parking lot river. Closer to the park too, there's just like a huge like oh, you can see it right there. There's a tree that's down. You can see this right there. That's like a tree that fell down. The branches were like flooding into our car.
Hey, no, let's go this way.
Oh no, these people see their car and it's flooded. Alright, well that's our day. Dollywood was fun though, while it lasted. Oh, I think there is somebody in that car, because now the lights are off. Or the lights just broke, I don't know. Imagine if that was a Tesla. I don't even know if it could catch on fire, because there's so much water.